What up? Once again, I know I haven't recorded any videos whatsoever and I feel really bad. Lack of motivation, to be honest. I think one of the reasons why I lack motivations to make more videos for my car is because I was letting someone borrow my car constantly, so I kind of lost the love for the vehicle itself to modify it just because I don't want to break it, because someone else is depending on it, and I think that was my biggest issue. Also, I haven't purchased any new parts, and I have to make a video for one of you guys that requested it months ago, to do a startup video with my car, my dad's car. My dad has been a mess. He got super busy, then he got COVID. Now his car is out of commission, and I'll put a video here so you guys can see it. This is the reason why I haven't made any videos on my car starting in my dad's car, because something happened with my dad's car. Let me show you. Yep, so right outside this house, he was parking, someone came and swiped. So he needs to repair the rack and pinion, and the fender obviously was messed up. This whole side right here. I'll post some pictures so you guys can see. Let me in the video what you just told me, what you gotta change.
The strut is bent, the link inside the rack and pinion is bent, and the hub assembly is making noise, so that needs to be changed.
Gotcha.
So it's three parts: the hub, the strut assembly, and the rack and pinion.
Okay. Hey, at least it's not totaled, so that's a good thing.
Right.
Yeah. Exactly. That's exactly what happened. His car got destroyed. Well, not destroyed, but typically, well, it did get messed up. My little brother was driving, someone crashed, a bug, as you saw, and it messed up the whole side of the car, so the car is out of commission. So today the plan is to fix the car and get it closer to the road once again. So I'm just gonna make a video on the labor that we're doing on his car, showing you guys my car once again, and hopefully the new parts should be coming in. I am looking for an exhaust system from ZZP, 3-inch all the way down. Might go straight pipe depending on how loud it's gonna get. And then after that, I am looking at the intercooler, and then some other stuff like the North Star's throttle body. But the main thing that I've always told you is before you do any mods, you have to make sure your car is running properly. My car, thankfully, is running properly. The only thing I need major is I need to do my oil change for my transmission, and I also need to service the supercharger. So you will see those videos. I'm gonna be dropping in. I'm gonna be buying some new tires for my car. Also, I'm gonna be doing the oil change for the transmission. Most likely you won't see that because that's gonna go to the mechanic. And then the service on the supercharger, you will see that because I will try to do that myself with my dad, so that way you guys can enjoy it and learn something, if you will. But without further ado, let's enjoy this video. Every time you hit the freeway, you already know what to do. Every time I hit this freeway, the 805 North, there's this little uphill. You guys already know what we about to do. Yes, sir. Let's do a little pull and see how this thing does. All right, you guys ready? Oh, come on. And we up here, so let me just slow down real quick. You guys ready? Yes, sir. The fender's gone. The hub we're gonna remove right now. The rack was messed up, so the strut, a few things we need to change on this. So now we took the caliper, the rotors.
Disconnect the ABS. Right here.
This bolt was tough to get removed, but thankfully my brother plays football. He's an O-line, so yeah, he took care of that one real quick.
Okay, so I know we need.
Oh, we'll be recording.
Oh. That's right. So we loosen up the 3 bolts in the back of the hub. That's one of them.
You're gonna need a size. What is this? 1/2 or half? All right, can you
turn
it on?
Yep. So turn the car.
Turn on the car. All right, stop. Turn off the car.
Where's the ABS wire? So this guy right here.
That's the ABS wire right there.
Yeah,
3 bolts. One of them is kind of hiding right there in the back. And
it's not letting it. Why isn't it letting it go?
It was pretty easy.
No, para acá. Es que no miro nada. Right here. Oh, okay. There was a zip tie.
Yeah, you and your zip ties, man. Look, zip tie, zip tie, zip tie. Hey, no cursing. I already told you, boy. If you curse one more time, I'm gonna take over.
Okay. Okay, so I released it right there.
Just get a knife and then cut the zip tie or scissors. If not, move out the way. I will get this, senior. Alright, it's my turn.
This is it.
Y'all see that right there? That's a piece of skin. Right there. That's my skin, man. Yes, sir.
And then,
That was easy.
it only took you 45 minutes?
Yeah, you made me come all the way this
Come on, man.
for 45 minutes, man. And a piece of my skin. So it's not too bad. 2 bolts, 3 bolts, plug it in, plug in the ABS, and you're all set. I hope you guys enjoyed a short video. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed a short video. Hopefully I'll be making another video soon. Thank you for watching.